Woodworkers can be thrifty people, and we don't like to throw things out if we can fix them. Like biscuits that have absorbed moisture from a humid shop and they no longer fit in their slots. And yes, I have a bunch of over-thick biscuits. Let's see if we can salvage these guys. I've got the oven set at 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll pop them in to see if this will reduce their size. After 15 minutes, they still did not fit. I had the same results at 30 and 45 minutes. Even after an hour, things were still too snug. Not wanting to surrender quite yet, I shut off the oven and let them cool off there for another hour or so. I was pleasantly surprised when I came back, and about a third of the oversized biscuits now fit in the slot. Maybe my mom is right. I should have cooked them at 350 degrees for 20 minutes a pound. Or was that roast beef? Anyway, I clearly saved myself about 50 cents drying out these 11 biscuits.